To make the denominators match, I'm going to multiply by 2 over 2. So this gives me 10 plus 8 is 18, and the denominator is 2 times the quantity x minus 1. 18 over 2 I can simplify, so it's 9, and on the bottom what's left? X minus 1. If I multiply both sides by t minus 5, I'm left with t plus 5 is equal to 10 times t minus 5. If I distribute, I have t plus 5 is equal to 10t minus 50. If I move all the t's to the right, I have 9t. And on this side, I have 55. So if I divide both sides by 9, this is my answer. If I multiply both sides by b, I have that 2a is equal to b over 2. If I multiply both sides by 2, I have 4a is equal to b. If I then replace b with what it's equal to, I have 4a over a. D. I want the denominators to match, so I'm going to multiply this by x plus 3 over x plus 3, and this one by x plus 2 over x plus 2. Those are another forms of 1, and they'll have the same denominator now. So I have 1 over x plus 3 plus x plus 2 all over, and then x plus 3 times x plus 2. If I combine these, I get 1 over 2x plus 5, and this will be x squared plus 5x plus 6. And if you forgot the rule how multiple fractions work, consider something like 1 divided by 1/2. What happens? The 2 floats all the way up, and the answer is just 2 over 1. Same thing happens here. Your answer is x squared plus 5x plus 6 over 2x plus 5. B. To find what t is, we multiply by the reciprocal. Cancels out here, and you multiply straight across. 5 times 3 is 15, 2 times 2 is 4. The answer is 15/4, and if you wanted it as a decimal, 3.75. We can substitute y with what it's equal to, so this becomes 1/2 times 2x plus 2x is equal to 21/2. So 1/2 times 4x, which is just 2x, is 21/2. If I multiply both sides by 2, I end up with 4x is equal to 21. And then I divide both sides by 4, so I get x is equal to 21 over 4. If you wanted the decimal equivalent there, 5.25. To get the denominator to be the same, I'm going to multiply by x plus 2 over x plus 2. Now they have the same denominator, I can add straight across, or in this case subtract straight across the top. So I have 2x plus 6 minus 2x plus 4. So the 2x's go away, and 6 minus 4 is 2, so I'm left with 2 on the top, and it's all over x plus 2 squared. Now they're telling me that it's equivalent to this, so a is equal to 2. So we're plugging in numbers for k to make a specific slope, and it has to be greater than this fraction and less than that fraction. So we have thirds, sixths, and fifths. I think if they're all the same unit, it would be a lot easier. So how do we get to those units? Well, 30 jumps out to me, so 10k over 30 has to be greater than 5 over 30 and less than 6 over 30. Since we have the denominator the same, we can just wipe all of this out. And then I'm going to divide everything by 10. So k has to be bigger than 1/2, or 5 over 10. And it has to be less than 3/5. So if I was thinking decimals, greater than 0.5, less than 0.6, there's a lot of answers. I could put 0.51, 0.52, 0.59, any of these would work.